Ladies and gentlemen, Beer Kim!
Thanks for watching to the end of the video. I really hope it was a lot of help. I spent a lot of time trying to make it as comprehensible as possible, trying to make it as easy as I can to learn, because it is a pretty difficult trick after all. So, if you want to send it to some people around, maybe give it a like, subscribe, helps me greatly. But also, if you like this t-shirt, little anime girl right there with the yo-yo right there, $18 on Amazon. So you want to help support me. I also have a Ko-Fi as well, where you can help support me on there. Get videos a little bit early as well and all that. So yeah, hope that helps out. And yeah, thank you. Bye-bye.